Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to get Chroma in Warframe. Chroma is a powerful Warframe known for his elemental damage and tanky playstyle. To get Chroma's main blueprint, first you need to complete the new Strange quest. This quest becomes available after you have finished the Europa Junction on Jupiter. You must also have completed the Stolen Dreams quest. Once the quest is finished, you will receive Chroma's main blueprint. Next, you need to obtain Chroma's component blueprints by completing specific junctions. Chroma systems are rewarded from completing the Pluto Junction on Neptune. Chroma's chassis is obtained by completing the Neptune Junction on Uranus. Likewise, Chroma's Neuroptics are rewarded from completing the Uranus Junction on Saturn. After collecting the chassis, Neuroptics, and systems, return to your Foundry and build each component, then combine them with the main blueprint to craft Chroma. And that's it. We just learned how to get Chroma by completing the new Strange quest for the main blueprint and earning his parts from Junction rewards across the star chart. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.